Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you add bank card on Skrill. So firstly, open up Skrill, like go to skrill.com and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so you're on your dashboard here. So when you get to this screen here, so what you have to do is click on the deposit option. So click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you have three options here. So choose the debit or credit card option because that's how we can add our card, so bank card. So click on debit or credit card, and here you'll have an option called add card. So click on add card, and now this is where you insert all your card details, your card number, all the dates and everything. And once you have done with that, then all you have to do is hit on add card and continue and complete the process. And by doing so, you can add your bank card to your Skrill account here, and that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Give it a go and let me know, guys. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.